morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Today we are going to learn a math topic,
Okay, sir.
measuring time. Okay.
Okay.
Now, the one right in front of you, we will read
What time is it?
what time
Time
is.
is it?
Okay.
Yes.
Do you know the word time? Do you know the word time? Word
Yes.
time. When you heard that time, what is time? We will tell. When we use this word, when we use this word time.
Sir, when we have to go somewhere or when we have to do class.
Yes, very good. Means when we attend any activity or when we go in the anywhere, somewhere else in school, market, shop. Means we denote that term as a time. Means on what time I have to go. Okay.
Yes.
Now what is the time of your school? What is
Yes,
the
sir.
time of your class? Okay. What is the time of your yoga class? Okay.
Yes, sir.
What time we have to go on that particular place, or on what time we have to play on the playground. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Means that type of terms we denotes as a time. Understood? Now the fact about time. We will read.
Sir, can I read?
Yes, yes.
8:40. Facts about time. Time is an ongoing sequence of events taking place the past, present, and future.
Very good.
Okay, sir.
We measure time using second, minutes, hours, day, week, months, and years. See the first line means time is the ongoing process. Okay, it will ongoing.
Yeah. It
Means
never stops.
yes, it's past, present, and future. The things
Yes.
which has happened in the past, that's also
Yes.
be denotes as a time. The things are happening in the present.
Yes, sir.
We also measure in time, and the things will happen in the future that we also denotes or that the we count and in a time. Okay. Last, see, we measure that using second. You know, second, 1 second.
Yes, sir. 1
One,
second, 2 second.
2 second, 3 second, and minute means 60 second of 1 minute.
Yes. And hour
Minute,
means 1 o'clock.
1 o'clock, 1 hour, and in 1 hour we measure minutes. Okay, means after that hours, day, weeks, months, and years. Means these are the some facts of time. Clock measure time. Everybody know clock
Yeah.
and measuring the time.
Yes,
Understood?
sir.
Now see the picture. Telling time to the hour AM PM 24-hour clock. Normally the time is shown in hours and minutes. Okay, there are 24 hours in a second,
Yes.
in a day, sorry, and 60 minutes in a each hour. Now,
Yes.
one hands are there, one green is there and red is there. Understood? And it
Yes.
denotes, it shows the time.
Yes, sir.
Now, the hands of the time. The
Yes.
long hand is the minute hand. Understood?
Yes, sir.
When we see watch, there are three hands.
Yes,
Second second hands, minute hands, and hour hands. Okay. Now see the green hand. It is on the 12, sharp 12. The long hand is minute's hand, and the short hand is hour hand.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Hour hand. Which number is showing hour hand?
3 o'clock.
3. Only 3 means I'm not asking you that what is the time. I'm only asking on which number on shorthand. And 3 in front of that green means minute hand 12. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now see the hands of time. See which are the numbers are
Five.
there. Now
Sir,
1,
this is
2, 3,
five
4,
table.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Means 12 hours in watch. Okay. In others in 24 hours. Now there are 60 minutes on a clock face. See
Yes.
12 and 1. There are 5 seconds are there. Okay.
Okay, sir.
There are 5 seconds are there. Okay.
Yes, sir.
The distance between 12 and 5. Okay. And 1 and 2 also 5 means it's a table of 5. Okay. It's
Yes,
a table of
five. One's a
5.
five.
It's a
Five twos
table
a
of
10.
5. And
Yes,
see,
sir.
there are 60 minutes on a clock face. Okay.
Yes.
5, 10, 15,
15,
20, 25,
25, 30,
30, 35,
35, 40,
40,
45,
huh,
50,
50,
55, 60.
55, 60. These are the means these are the seconds. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And means when the second hand one round when it will complete one round, then it will be 1 minute. Means
Yes.
second hand. And when minute hand it rotate or it complete one round, then it will be 1
1 hour.
hour. Okay. Now
Yes.
there are 60 minutes on a clock face. 60
Yes.
minutes means one round is of 60 minutes. And that 60 minutes we count in 1 hour. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
See the hands of time. Hands of time. Count the numerals on the clock. There are only 12 hours on a clock. So the hours hand is a short hand. See, the red color is hour hand and green color is minute hand. And now the time is showing us,
3
means
o'clock.
we can say that 3 o'clock because minute hand is on 12 o'clock. Huh? Okay.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And our hand is on 3. That's why we can say that it's a what?
It's
3 o'clock.
3 o'clock. Now minute is a long word. The minute hand is a longer hand. Okay.
and
Minute,
hour
minute
is a
and hour is a short word. The hour hand is shorter hand. That's why
Yes.
that is the basic concept and the important aspect is there. Okay. Minute word is long. That's why the hour hand is
Min
short
small.
and minute hand is long. Okay.
Yes,
Because
sir.
our word is short.
Small.
And if
And
anybody asks
minute
us,
hand.
if anybody asks why minute hand is long and hour hand is short, that's why we can say that minute word is long. That's why that
Our hand is
our
short.
minute hand is long and our word is short. That's why our hand is short. Understood?
Small. Yes, sir.
Means it clear the concept short hand and longer hand.
Yes.
Okay. Now when the minute hand is pointing to the 12, read the clock as a o'clock. Means we say no 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock,
2
3
o'clock.
o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 and 12 o'clock. Okay.
12.
Then in case the hour hand is pointing to the 3 and it's 3 o'clock. If our hand is pointing 4, then what is the time?
4 o'clock.
Very good. If our hands on 9 and minutes hand on 12, what will be the time?
9 o'clock.
9
Very
o'clock.
good. If our hand is on 7 and minute hand is on 12, what will be the time?
7
7
o'clock.
o'clock.
Very good. Means we know that the basic concept of that o'clock is means minute hand should be on 12.
Yeah.
It should not be on 11 or 1. It should be on sharp on 12. That's
Yes, sir.
time only we can say o'clock. Okay, means
If
it's a
one
perfect
hand
perfect means o'clock. 3 o'clock,
Okay,
2
sir.
o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. Okay.
Clock,
If
6 o'clock,
if
7 o'clock, 8 o'clock,
yes, very
9,
good.
10
9
o'clock.
o'clock. Means
Yes.
these are the
12.
terms of minute hand and hour hand. Means
Our
when
hand.
Okay,
the
sir.
minute hand pointing is actual on 12. Okay,
Yes.
then it will a minute hand. Now the minute hand is pointing to the 12 and the
12.
hour hand is pointing to the 5. Now you can see here means the sharp minute hand sharp on 12 and hour hand on 5. That's why what is the time now?
5 o'clock.
Very good.
It's correct. 5 o'clock.
Correct. 5 sharp 5 o'clock.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
And what is the concept of o'clock? Means the minute hand should on 12 and that hour hand it will be anywhere. Okay,
Yes.
but minute hand should be on 12. That's why it's a 5 o'clock. Understood?
Yes.
If in this example, if that red color means our hand is on 8 and green hand on 12, what will be the time?
What, sir?
If our hand is on 8 and minute hand on 12,
Sir, 8 o'clock.
8 o'clock. Very good. 8 o'clock. Okay.
Yes.
Now see the 4 quarters are there.
Yes.
Huh? You saw watch. There are 4 parts: 12 to 3, 4 to 6, 7 to 9, and 10 to 12, or 9 to 12, 12 to 3, 3 to 6, and 6 to 9. Clock
Yes.
divided into 4 equal sections. You
Yes,
can
sir.
see 4. You can see 4 sections.
Yes, sir. We can see.
What are they?
Sir, in
12
9
to
to 12,
9 to 12,
1 to 3,
1 to 3,
4 to 5,
4 to 5. No,
6.
no, we can say 12 to 3, 3 to 6, 6 to 9, 9 to 12 also. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Means distance should be the 15 minutes in
Yes.
each quarter. Okay. Each quarter would represent a 15-minute section. You know the right angle
Yes, sir.
means
Like L. Like
means there
L.
are, you can see there are 4 right angles are there.
Yes, sir. In standing
9 to
and
standing and slanting
slanting line. Like
horizontal
a
or
lamp.
not slanting, horizontal and vertical lines are there too here. Okay. And 9 to 12 are 15 minutes are there. 12 to 3 15 minutes, 3 to 6 15 minutes, 6 to 9 15 minutes, and 9 to 12 15 minutes. Means 15 plus 15 30, 30 plus 15 35, and 45 plus 15 60. Means total minutes are there in watch 60. One round of minute hand is 60 minutes. Okay, that's why we can say that there are the 4 sections are here which divided the clock. Okay, 4 quarters. How much quarters?
4 quarters.
4 quarters are there. Each quarter should represent a 15 section, 15 minutes of section. Now tell me 12 to 13, how many minutes are there? 12 to 3.
12 to 3, 15.
Very good, because 12 to 1 5, 1
5,
to
10,
2 5,
15.
2 to 3 5, 5 plus 5 plus 5 15, and 3 to 6
15.
3 to 4 5, 4 to 5 5, and 5 to 6 5 15, and 6 to 9 to 7 5, 7 to 8 5, 8 to 9 5 means 15. And in the fourth section also there are 15 minutes means 9 to 10, 10 to 11 and 11 to 12 means when we add that fourth section we'll get 60 minute means one round of minute hand.
Yes.
Understood?
Yes.
One round of minute hand. Now the AM and PM. 12 AM is a midnight and 12 PM is noon. We know the we only hear the 12 o'clock, but total day is of 24. Okay, 24 hours.
Yes, sir.
And we
2
said
p.m.
midnight AM means in the morning when in the midnight AM starts means if now the time of if 9 o'clock, then we can say AM 9 AM 10
Yes,
AM, 11 AM, and when it
And 12
goes
comes
on
is
12 PM means in
Yes,
noon
sir.
we say PM 1 PM 2 PM 3 PM 4 PM, in evening 6 PM 7 PM 8 PM, in night 9 PM 10 PM 11 PM and again 12 AM.
Okay, sir.
After the midnight it start AM.
2 a.m.
Okay, when we say AM we are referring to the hours before noon. Before noon means 12, before 12 we referring AM, and after you don't make noise, mute yourself. And when we say PM are referring to the hours past noon or past noon. Listen, when we say PM we are referring to the hours past noon. PM means after 12 o'clock in the noon. 5 PM we do not AM or PM or 5 PM in the evening. 5 PM in the evening, AM or PM?
PM, sir, PM.
Very good. And in the morning, if 8 o'clock is there, then AM or PM?
8 a.m., sir, 8 a.m.
And 9?
a.m.
AM and 9 AM. 10 in the morning, 10 o'clock,
10
AM or PM?
a.m., sir, 10 a.m.
Very good, very good. In the morning, 5 o'clock?
5 a.m.
Okay. In night, 11 o'clock?
Sir, 11 p.m.
Very good. 11 PM. Now the important facts about the time. Now 60 seconds means we know 1 minute.
Yes.
1 minute. 60 seconds.
Sir,
1 minute. Don't please unmute mute yourself. Please mute yourself. 60 minutes, 1 hour.
Yes.
60 minutes, 1 hour. 24 hours, 1 day. 30 minutes, 1/2 hour.
Yes.
1/2 hour. 30 minutes,
Yes.
half hour, and 60 minutes, 1 hour.
1
Okay.
quarter hour.
15 minutes, 1 quarter. Means we learned already. There are 4 quarters are there in watch. Okay, 15 minutes of each quarter, and there are 4 quarters are there. That's why in our clock there are 4 quarters and 15 minutes of 1 quarter. Okay, that's why 1 quarter is equal to 15 minutes.
Yes.
Now the converting between units of a time. Okay,
Yes, sir.
there are 60 second, minute. There are the units and this time unit.
Yes.
Second, 60 second, minute, 60 minutes, hour, 24 hours, a
Yes.
day, 7 days, week, about 30 days, a month, 65 days, a
In a
normal year, and 66 days, leap year.
लीप ईयर
लीप ईयर
जब
ओके
फरवरी में 29 ईयर होते हैं.
very good now tell me uh, how many hours in a day
Hours 24.
very good and how many days in a week
7, sir.
very good how many days in a month
365 of an leap year, then is 366 days.
very good means these are the converting between the units of a time
Yes.
we can say that in a minute there are 60 seconds in an hour there are 60 minutes in a day there are 24 hours in a week 7 days in a month 30 days in a normal year 65 days and in a leap year 366 days understood
Yes, sir.
now who will read this slide
Can I read?
yes
Converting between unit of time. 12
Hmm.
months, 52 weeks, 10 years, 20 years, 100 years, 1000 years.
okay 12 months means in
In a year.
how many months in a year
12 months are January,
12 months
February, March, April,
Hmm.
May, June,
June
July, August, September, October, November, December. This
very
year,
good these
December.
are the 12 months in a year okay how many weeks in a year
52 weeks in a year.
52 weeks okay how many weeks in a 1 month
What's that?
how many weeks in a month
Months.
generally there are 4 weeks
4
and
weeks.
any if in month is there a 5 week or 4 week okay
Yes.
but generally there are 4 weeks in a month and decade means what
Yes.
means 10 years
In 10 years.
one decade means 10 years one decade means
10 years.
10 years one decade means 10 years and score in a score
20
means
years.
20 years and we know century 100 years
In a century.
in a century there are 100 years
Yes.
hundreds of year means century
Yes.
and millennium means 1000 year
1000
1000 years
years.
okay
Yes, sir.
and decade means 2 decade means if I ask you 2
20,
decades means
20 years.
if 7 decades are there
7 decade means 70 years.
very good if I ask you 3 scores
Sir, 60.
very good 5 scores
5 scores, sir. 2, 5, 100.
very good 100 years means 5 scores
Yes.
how many months in year in a year
How many months?
hmm?
12, sir. 12.
12 very good and how many weeks in a year
52.
52 okay
Yes.
now I ask you some questions
Yes.
now see the leap year do you know the leap year
Yes, sir. I
a
know.
leap year a kind of year that has one extra day in it generally there are 65 days 365 days in a year
Yes,
okay
sir.
but in leap year one day is extra
Yes.
okay means 366 leap year are any year that can be divided by 4 such
Yes.
as 2012 2016 2020 okay 2020 it can be divided by 4 21 2021 can be divided by 4
No, sir.
because the in the units place 1 is there and we learn the property of 4 means it can't be divided by 4 that's why 2021 is not a leap year and that's why in 2021 there are 365 days. If we take example of 2020, it will be divided by 4. That's why we can say that 2020 is leap year. Okay, now for examples of leap year, we'll read.
A leap year is a kind of a year that has one extra day in it. Leap year are any year that can be divided by 4, such as 2012, 2016, etc. For example, leap year 1998, 1997, 1915, 2004, 2010, 1942, 1912, and 2032.
Okay, means
So many
these
students.
are the leap years. Means
Leap year.
that leap year we can divide by 4. 1998, 1996, 1950, 2004, 2010, 1942, 1912,
1912,
and 2032.
2032.
Means
22.
the simple concept is there. The number means year. That year should be divided by 4. So that it will be a leap year. Understood?
Yes, sir, I understand, but
And who
so
will tell the next leap year after 2021?
2021.
Hmm? Which year will be leap year in the ongoing
So we have
next
to
year?
multiply by 4, na? Divide
No,
by
divide by 4. Divide by 4.
2000. Sir, what are you telling?
After 2020, 2021, which year will be the leap year? 2024, no? Means 2024 we can divide by 4.
2020,
4.
2024,
The leap year.
ठीक है मम्मा ठीक है
Mute, mute yourself. Means 2024 is the will
leap
be the
year.
leap year. Understood? Means we can divide by 4
Yes.
to that year. Now see the we already know that the time is expressed either in 12 hours clock format, in 24 hours clock format. Now see 3 in the morning, 3 a.m. 5.
Called
We
AM,
already
and after
yes,
12
5
o'clock we called PM.
p.m. Very good. And 5 a.m. in the evening, 5 p.m. 12:30 in the afternoon, 12 p.m.
The
12:30
3
p.m.
o'clock in the morning is we called the AM, and
Very
5
good.
o'clock in the evening we called PM, and
Very good.
12:30 in the afternoon we called to PM, and
Very good.
10 at night we called PM.
We call p.m. Means if we say in the 24 o'clock, you know the railways timetable and indicators on railways platform. These are means that showing the 24-hour clock. Okay.
So I know 23 hours.
23 hours means
11 o'clock.
11 o'clock. And 13
So we will be
hours,
counting
20 hours,
30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 20, 21, 22, 23. 11 o'clock.
11 o'clock. And 13, 20 hours,
120.
120. And 00 hours means
00
in
hours means
24 hours
12,
clock, 12 a.m.
12
It's
a.m. midnight.
it's a midnight. It's a midnight.
Night.
Okay. And 15:30 hours means
3:30 p.m.
after 12 we have to calculate the 3 hours. So means 13, 14 and 15 means 1, 2, 3. 3:30 p.m. Okay. You know the difference between 12 hours clock and 24 hours clock?
Yes.
Okay. Any problem is there?
No, sir.
Okay, understood?
Yes, sir. I understood.
So these are some homework for you. Convert minutes to second. find the day before few days, convert the second to minutes, calendar related facts. Okay, you can take screenshot also.
Sir, I took it.
Okay, and you can write also. Anything you know related to the calendar, you can write in your own. Okay,
Sir, like it will be Christmas. Then we have to write on the date on the Christmas.
any facts you can write, any related to the calendar. Okay,
Sir, how many?
there are 4 concepts are convert minute to the second. Okay, find the days before few days and convert the second into minutes. In that 4 concept, you can write in any 2 facts. One, convert a minute to the second, and calendar related to the facts. Means you can write Christmas and all other things and related to the, and how the festivals are there. When is there December, January, February, March. Related facts to the months also you can write. Okay, and you can write also the conversion. 1 minute is equal to how many seconds. Okay, 1 hour 60 minutes. This type of facts you can write. Okay, first you
Yes.
tell me the 24 hours clock and 12 hours format, you know, understood the concept, that
Yes,
concept.
sir.
23 and 11, 30, 13, 20 hours, 1:20 p.m. Okay, any problem?
No, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Have a nice day. Stay safe.